Hello guys, welcome to another FIFA 19 Ultimate Team video, and today I'm going to be talking about the web app and how to make more accounts and to use on the web app, and as a result of that how to make more coins. If you guys haven't already seen the video of where I explain why we need to make more coins or more information about the web app, then I'll leave the links for those in the description, so please make sure you watch those first before watching this. Anyway, let's get straight down to this video. It might take a bit of explaining, but how are we going to make more accounts to use on the web app? So the first thing we need, and this is very important, the first thing we need for this method to work is we need lots of email addresses. So if you guys have plenty of email addresses, you know, you've made some up before, and obviously apart from your main account one. So as you can see, I've got two accounts here. So apart from my main account one, I want more email addresses. So the more email addresses you have, the more accounts you'll be able to make. So the more the merrier, basically. And if you guys don't have a spare email address, I'd suggest if you could ask your brother, sister, mum, whoever, somebody who doesn't play Ultimate Team, or if you don't have anybody like that, then what you're gonna have to do is go on Google, type Hotmail, and go on outlook.com and then create a free new account, and you're gonna have to go through all the formalities there. But if you do, then we are ready to get cracking. So first of all, we need to go on our main account, and then what we need to do is once we are on our main account, we need to go into settings, and once we are in settings, we need to go into account management, and there after that what you want to do is press activate as your primary PS4. So we'll go through that stage again. Is what we want to do is we want to go on our primary account. So what I mean by primary account is the account which we have paid the PSN or PlayStation Plus for, and the reason for us doing this is so that we don't have to pay for PlayStation Plus on any of the other accounts. So that's one misunderstanding that even I had myself. I wasn't sure if we make more accounts, do we have to pay for each of those PlayStation Plus accounts? The answer for that is no. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to go down into settings, and after that we're going to go into account management and then activate as your primary PS4. And what this is going to do is this will allow us to make the all the games that you pay for, example all the games you pay for and the PlayStation Plus that you pay for, you want to make that account as your primary PS4. So usually that is your main account. So if so far you only have one account, this is what you want to do to your main account. Then after that we want to go back to the power settings, switch user, and then we want to go into new user. By the way, I just want to apologize that I've not got the best graphics and I'm gonna have to keep moving slightly the camera about here. Unfortunately, obviously I'm not an expert, but I'm trying my best, so really sorry about that, guys. So we're gonna go into new user, yeah, and once we go into new user, we're going to go into create a user. And obviously if you guys want to go through a read of this and then accept, and after that we want to press next, and then this page will pop up, sign in to PlayStation Network. Obviously because we're trying to make a new account, we want to go to new to PlayStation Network, create an account. Sign up now. And then obviously there's quite a few formalities here, example for now we'll just go through that, and whatever your date of birth is, obviously you're going to put that in, but for now I'm just put anything there. Go through city, we'll put go through city, go through state, go through your postcode, and after that what is the page after this is going to pop up is going to tell you to put in your email address, and then ask you to create a password for this account. So once you've put the new email account that you already have, the spare email address that we were talking about before. So example, my main account address, email address was FIFA19 Ultimate Team at hotmail.com, and we've made a new email address which is called FIFA19 Ultimate Team example career mode at hotmail.com. So we want to make that for our new account, and then we want to put our password in. Then it's going to ask us to re-enter our password. So example, it will be exactly like this. So where city is going to say type in your email address, state in Providence is going to say enter password, and then in postcode it's going to say re-enter password, and then after that we're going to go into next. Once we've done that, it's going to ask us to make our online ID. So obviously whatever your online ID is, then well, obviously you have to make an online ID, example 123 or whatever. Obviously that's up to you guys. So once you've done that, it'll pretty much be ready to use. So if I show you guys, I've made myself a new account here, and like I said before, as long as we've activated our main account as the primary PS4, then we won't have to pay for the PSN. So basically after that we're just ready to go and use our games. And obviously I'll sign in here to FIFA 18. So that's the next step we want to do to get to our to be able to use this account on the web app. Is we're going to have to open FIFA 18 and we need to play a couple of games. Now obviously I'll show you what to do instead of having roughly you need to play about 10 games, but I'll see if we can quickly use another like a trick or find a way out of it. So obviously I'll quickly run through the main steps again. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have email addresses. Yep, if we have email addresses, we are ready to go, and all we have to do is create a new user. I've already explained how to make that new user account. So once you make that new user and you want to create a PSN account after that, and obviously you're gonna have to go through the formalities, type in a password, create an online ID, and then after that you want to go on your FIFA 18 game. So obviously I know this is a FIFA 19 tutorial, but to access the web app you need to have played some FIFA 18 games, which is roughly about 10. Now what doesn't appear on the screen right now is I made this account about 2-3 days ago, so this is a completely new account. So what you want to do here now is, well, what's going to appear is FIFA 18 is they're going to ask you to make an origin account. So you're going to also, again, you're going to have to go through a couple of minutes origin, or a couple of minutes through the formalities of making an origin account. So once you manage to make yourself an origin account, then after that you get, to make the origin account, again it will just be an email address, a password, and like a little ID. But that again is like a 5-minute job. Then you want to click on Ultimate Team, you want to go on your Ultimate Team, and as you'll be able to see, this is a completely new account. I made this account just so I can explain to you guys as what we want to do. Obviously here, as soon as we get in, it's going to ask us to choose a security question and a password. So obviously you want to put that in. Sorry guys, just can't trust anyone these days. And I am still typing. I am a slow typer, but it is really hard to type when you have one hand over the camera. So obviously once you've managed to do that, you've created your security password, and then you want to press submit security question and answer. And you probably want to write all this down, because obviously this isn't our main account, so you might just end up forgetting it, and you don't want to be doing that. So you might as well just keep that. And this obviously is going to explain to us what Ultimate Team is. So if you are new to Ultimate Team, you might want to watch this.
There are many ways to play Ultimate Team, with a variety of single player and online modes available. To get started, choose a mode. Earn rewards for each performance. The better you do, the more you will earn. From there, head to the transfer market, where you can use your earnings to buy and sell players with other members of the community. Or you can open FIFA Ultimate Team packs for a chance to land a superstar. This is where your journey begins. Who will make it into your Ultimate Team? Welcome to FIFA Ultimate Team.
So obviously once you get here, if you're already an experienced player, you already know what to do, so you're just going to create a squad. So again, this squad doesn't really matter, you know, it's not like we're going to play FIFA 18 Ultimate Team on this. So we just want to quickly create a squad. Press advance. Alright, let's see what's it saying here. It wants, okay, let's quickly just get rid of this guy. Alright, we'll take Fabregas just for now. We want to get ourselves a kit as well. So these are just, again, just formalities of creating a team. It's what you have to go through. So far this video is about 11 minutes, and if you're going to make the account, it's probably take you about 10 minutes also. So it's about a 20-minute thing that you have to do probably for each account, but it really is worth it, because if you're thinking about it, if you've not seen the video that I created, this new account's going to make you about 100k altogether later on. There's a big trick that I've saved up my sleeve to tell you guys of what to use this account for, but I'm not going to tell you guys now anyway. So yeah, so now what we want to do is, obviously, like I said before, and that obviously we want to play about more than 10 games. So how are we going to do that? We want to quickly go on to single player and single player seasons and just go beginner. Let's just start. We want to start this game. And hopefully this is going to work for us. I've not actually trialed this out, but I am hoping it works. So obviously you just want to go into a singles match offline, and then once you've started the match, you want to just like quit the match basically. And once you've quit the match, then hopefully that should be technically like one game played. And if you actually want to play the game like legitly, then just feel free and play games. So what you want to do is just get this game rolling off. Alright, so the game started. Let's go and forfeit match. I'm guessing you could do this online as well, but doing it offline. And alright, as you can see here, top right, that is our first loss. So obviously it's technically a gameplay, so you just want to do that about 10-11 times, and technically you're gonna have yourself, you know, like it'll be your new account is ready. And just to put the rubber stamp that we can use this account on the web app, is what you want to do is you want to go download the FIFA 18 companion app on your phone, Android, Apple device, or iPhone device. Or if not, you want to go on your laptop and you want to sign in on the FIFA 18 web app. So you want to sign in on the FIFA 18 web app. Once you have a FIFA 18 web app, that is basically more or less rubber stamp that you will be able to use the FIFA 19 web app using this account. And obviously, the more accounts we have, the more daily rewards we're going to be able to claim, the more money we're going to get, the more money, you know, the quicker we're going to be able to trade. So lots of benefits for that. Obviously, like I said, it's already in a video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope this is helpful to you. I hope this video makes you guys a ton of coins, and hopefully I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys soon.